to show you how far. Yeah, hello viewers, this is your boy Augustone and I'm right here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to take you to a road project that is going on currently at East Legon Hills, right? It has been a long time that I brought you guys an update on this particular video, and also it has been a long time that I uploaded a video, right? But I'm here once again to show you what is going on. Stick to the end, they're going to love it. Yeah, so you can see this is how far they have come with the road projects that is going on in East Legon Hills. So I've brought you guys this is an update. They have come with their projects. So they began this project from where the cancer hospital is located. So that place, or to where the Lighthouse Chapel is, has been asphalted already. This project has been delayed a little because there was a lot of houses and fence walls that were linked or that were very close to the road, or that were inside the road. So what they have to do is that they have to break down some part of some of the houses, and also some fence wall were affected, right? Some of the fence wall over here were affected due to this road construction. First it was a single road, now it's a dual road, and currently this is also one of the busy road in East Legon Hills, right? So this particular road links to a lot of places like the police city. It can link to Lakeside. It can take you to Dodowa. It can link to Medina Road. So when this is done, is really going to help a lot. So as you can see, this is how far they have come with their project. This is how far they have come with their project. So you can see how far they have come with the video, with the project. This is what is happening here currently. They are asphalting the road now, and this is where they have gotten to. This is where they have gotten to. Yeah. So, as I was saying, this is where they've gotten to. Come all the way from the lakeside there to this place. So that is the lighthouse chapel over there. So there is a two runabout on this particular project. One is at in front of me, just a minute walk, and one is at where the cancer hospital is located. So these two runabouts are there to help you connect to other roads, right? So the runabout over here helps you to connect to a road that links to Medina and Lakeside Community 1. So you can see, I will not reach there. I'm going to end the video over here, and then next time I will come here, I'm going to do a video all the way to Lakeside where the second runabout is. So thank you so much for watching, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and support your boy Hugo Stone to do more, right? Yes, I need your support so that I can do more videos and more project videos and other things also. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.